So my dear viewers, breaking news, I'll be sharing with you what happened to one of the Jamaican best 100-meter hurdler. This guy you're seeing here is also a former Olympic champion. So something sad happened to him and I'll be reporting it to all of you. So in case this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe because that is very important in order for you not to miss my next video. So this is what happened to him. He was racing and he felt on the night hurdle. This was a it pains me so much. When I saw him falling, I was like, no. I shouted in my television. It was very sad for me. Although I'm not a Jamaican, but it actually pains me a lot. So the report from the Jamaican official page says it was an unfortunate mishap for Rasheed Broadbell of Team Jamaica. He fell after clattering the night hurdle in heat 3 of men 110-meter hurdle. It was a very sad one, to be honest. My heart was broken, and definitely I know Rasheed's heart was also broken because you could see his reaction, how he reacted. He carried both of his hands, placing it on his head. It was a very sad day, honestly, and this is not the first time. Like yesterday we witnessed such things. From Fenkable fell in the 400-meter, and Sifan Hassan also, she fell down in the 1500. Things like this always happen, so we just have to take it. We just have to take heart and be like, okay, it's fine. Make sure to subscribe, guys, and let me know what you think about this.